Hello viewers, I am Christiana Balogun. Welcome to Relationship Tidbits for All Ages. Men, be cautioned. Why wait until your beards are fully grown before you return to your God-given wife? There is no vacuum in the space. Loneliness is not a virtue, neither desirable by women folks. Most of the time, women are stuck in the relationship because of children. This is the major reason the children love their mother than the ordinary. They sometimes remember the harsh treatment meted out to mothers. Show kindness to your spouse in and out of season. God bless you as you keep loving your wife. Till we meet again, stay blessed. The key to your happiness is in your hands. Make yourself happy always.